Have you ever wondered why wheels are perfectly round, or why plates, coins, and even clocks are circular in shape? Today, we are diving into one of the most important shapes in mathematics, the circle. By the end of this lesson, you fully understand what a circle is and how to work with its radius, diameter, and circumference. What is a circle? Let's start with basics. A circle is simply the set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center, and this is our fixed point. So if we pick any point on the circle, like here, here, or here, and measure from the center, the distance will always be the same. That's what makes a circle perfectly round. Radius. The radius is a line from the center to the edge of the circle. So from this center to the edge, this is our radius. Every radius in the same circle is equal. For example, if the distance from the center of a circular table to the edge is 4 centimeters, then the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. Diameter. The diameter is a straight line that passes through the center, connecting 2 points on the edge. Let us say this is our one point on the edge, another point on the edge. The line that connects the 2 points and passes through the center is called diameter. It is always the longest chord of the circle, and here the key relationship is d, which represents the diameter, equal to 2r. r represents the radius, so the diameter is always twice the radius. For example, if a bicycle wheel has a radius of 35 centimeters, then its diameter is d equal to 2 multiplied by 35, which is going to give us 70 centimeters. Circumference. Circumference is just a fancy word for the perimeter of a circle. It means the total distance around the circle. We can calculate the circumference of a circle by using these formulas. C equal to 2 pi r, or C equal to pi d. Our d equal to 2r, where pi is approximately 3.14159, or 22/7. Let us consider this example. If a circle has a radius of 7 centimeters, r equal to 7 centimeters, and the formula for calculating the circumference of a circle is C equal to 2 pi r, and pi equal to 22/7. Now let us substitute into the equation. C equal to 2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 7. 7 here 1, 7 here 1. 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 1 is 44. So our circumference equal to 44 centimeter. Now, let's connect this to real life. Clock face. The distance across is the diameter. Coin. Its round edge is the circumference. Wheels and tires. Their movement depends on the circumference. Plates. The straight line across is the diameter. So circles are everywhere around us. These are the quick questions for you to try. Recap: radius, line from center to edge. Diameter, twice the radius. Circumference, distance around given by c equal to 2 pi r or c equal to pi d. In the next video, we move on to the parts of a circle like chords, arc, sectors, and tangents. If you find this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning circles too. See you in the next class. Thank you.